Today we are doing cab corners on the F-150 pickup truck. Now we could torture them, grind them, cut them. It's gonna be fun. So by the end of the video, we'll have two brand new cab mounts on the front of this pickup truck, which are completely gone right now, as you're gonna see. So it's a must. Can't go around the corners and have the body just fall off the frame. So got a lot of rust repair to do. This is a start. Let's get to it. There we go. Alright, a little pit stop here to see where we are. Now I got the body mounts off. Got a little bit more of the old cab mount to get out. And underneath here we got a little bit of floor patch we're gonna have to make. So we're getting there. Not easy, not fun. Not fun. Let's go. So I got the cab mount mocked in here. Just now wait a minute. I got it mocked in here. It's just sitting here. I didn't do nothing yet. Make sure everything is out and fit. We're gonna cut some of the floor out, patch that, but it's in. I'm gonna make everything fastened up, clean her up, spray some rust encapsulator, and we should be good to go. Alright, we got her in. New mounts. Now we're gonna have to fasten her in and weld her in, rivets, self tappers. We're gonna fix the floor. Let me show you the floor. You can see the floor needs a little bit of help. You can see the light shining through there. So we're gonna have to fix this so we can fasten this, tack this to the new body mounts. Alright. Let's do it. Ready? No talking, cameraman. Alright, go. Oh yeah, that's in there. Come on. Oh yeah, tastes good. Alright. So we have we have the motor mounts in, okay, and you come into the truck. We're gonna cut a piece of metal to repair the floor. Okay. See, got some scissors. And we take the pattern. We're gonna bring the pattern back here and put it on the metal, cut it out, and make a new floor pan. Okay, so here we go. I got my pattern I made. Okay, we transformed it onto the metal. All right, now this fits this. Okay. And this line is basically my bend. It's going to be my bend in the metal. All right. Alright, so you can see I have a line. That's my grind line. I'm going to grind this down to metal so I can tack the top on to the existing metal. And then we're going to fasten this to the cab mounts before I weld the rest of it in. That way I can get it contoured to the pan. Alright, what we got here is the floor pan in. Now it's overkill. I did the whole floor pan, and I'm going to attach it to the cab mount, but we have a new floor pan basically, and I'm also going to rust encapsulate it and then dynamat it, so you're never going to know it's even under there once you put the carpet in. So, but that is a relatively quick way to do a floor pan without using like license plates, and you know, I'm gonna spray it up with some encapsulator and put some dynamat down, and Alright, floor's in and welded in, tech screwed in. What I'd like to do, I'd like to take these tech screws and I zip them in. I like to zip them in and then grind the heads off. That way they lay nice and flat. You won't even know they're there. And that keeps the floor from wobbling or making noise when you step on it. It's solid. It ain't gonna make any noises. So we're gonna rust encapsulate it right now. Yeehaw. Alright, one thing I want to point out. We got the floors in the cab of the truck. And when the cab mounts in, I got the floor welded into the floor. And I have tech screws going into the cab mount. I'm going to take those locations and I'm going to bolt. I'm going to put bolts all the way around, as many as I can, to really fasten this thing in tight. So don't panic with the tech screws. That's only temporary. But as you see how I cut the pattern out with the cardboard, we got it pretty much looking, you know, it's even better than what it was factory. It's a heavier gauge steel. So I'm gonna repeat this on the passenger side, get both floors done, and we're done with the cab mounts. And then we're getting really close. We got a couple things to do yet on this Ford F-150, 1976. We got a, I'm gonna change the master cylinder around. I got brakes, parking lights, you know, reverse lights. Got to go through all the electrical a little bit here and there. Get this thing ready for the road, so we can at least. My goal is to just get the truck so it's, you know, a little street worthy. I can take it out on the road and don't have to worry about it not starting and you know, the cab falling off the frame as we go around the corner, which is a problem. So anyway, thanks for stopping by today. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you soon on the next project. Thank you.